So what you will need is your stem 4 from your camp box. And in your stem 4 bag, you will find a straw, a piece of string, your bird, two streamers, a long support stick, a shorter support stick, and your string holder. From home, you will need markers or crayons, something water-based. This is optional. You can use a spray bottle and tape. So first, you're going to want to decorate your bird. So now that your colors have all diffused, you can set it aside to dry. A great tip for this is to set it out in the sun. If it's hot and sunny, it'll dry within half an hour. And when it's dry, it'll look something like this. So next, take your long support stick and you want to peel it off. It's like a sticker. And then once you have it peeled off, take your two streamers and stick it to the bottom without the point. So the point's at the top here. And then take your bird and stick the support stick in the middle and have the point at the top sticking out where the beak is. And then stick it on. It should look something like this. Next, take your shorter support stick and peel it off like the other one. And now you're going to place it in the middle where there's a dotted line. So where the dotted line is, right there, that's where you would stick it. So next, take your string holder, which looks like this, and you're going to fold it on the dotted line. So it's right here in the middle. And you take your string and you want to close it like that. Then take your bird kite. Then you want to take it and stick it on like this, just below the middle support beam. So next, take your straw and string the string through the straw until it comes out the other side. Once it's on the other side, you can tape it to the straw so that it stays in place. And now you're ready to fly your kite. Let's head outside.